Curious facts about the planet Uranus. Welcome to our new video. In this video, I will present to you some interesting facts about the planet Uranus. Get ready to learn surprising things about the seventh planet in our solar system and amaze your friends with this fascinating facts. The rotation of this planet has an inclination of 90 degrees from its orbit. It's easier to notice this if we compare it to other planets that have rings to use as a reference. For example, Saturn's rings are oriented on the horizontal axis when we look at them, but Uranus, with its 90-degree rotation, has its rings on the vertical axis. Uranus's core is rocky and small. It has the third largest diameter in our solar system, smaller than Saturn and Jupiter. It's approximately 4 times larger than Earth. However, due to its distance from our planet, its discovery was only possible with the help of more advanced telescopes in 1781 by the astronomer William Herschel. An interesting fact about the discovery of Uranus is that at that time, it was thought to be a star or a comet. Did you know that Uranus was almost named Georgium Sidus? 2 years after its discovery, it was confirmed to be a planet, thanks to the astronomer Johann Alert Bode. Herschel wanted to name it this way in honor of King George III. Bode suggested the name Uranus, which was accepted by the scientific community, maintaining the tradition of using mythological names. Uranus is the Greek god of the sky, also known as Salus by the Romans. Did you know that the radioactive element uranium was named in 1789 because of the planet Uranus's name? The planet is located at a distance of 2.9 billion kilometers from the Sun. A day on Uranus takes approximately 17 hours on Earth. It takes 84 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Uranus is an ice giant. When we hear the word ice, we usually think of a completely frozen planet, but did you know that a significant part of its mass is hot? Nevertheless, it is composed of materials that make up ice, such as water, methane, and ammonia. In fact, methane is responsible for the planet's bluish color, as this gas filters out the red color. Being an ice giant, Uranus also lacks a solid surface. Its surface is composed of swirling liquids. Uranus's atmosphere is primarily composed of molecular hydrogen, atomic helium, with a small amount of methane. The extreme atmospheric pressure and temperature of the planet would prevent a spacecraft from entering it without being destroyed. It is the second least dense planet in our solar system, with Saturn being the least dense of all. Uranus has 27 known moons so far. An interesting fact is that all of them are named after characters from William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. As we have seen with Saturn and Jupiter, Uranus also has rings. This planet has 13 known rings. An interesting fact about these rings is that the innermost ones are dark and narrow, while the outer ones are wider, brighter, and more colorful. From the inside out, they are Zeta, 6, 5, 4, Alpha, Beta, Eta, Gamma, Delta, Lambda, Epsilon, Nu, and Mu. The formation of Uranus occurred about 4.5 billion years ago, like the other planets in our solar system. It is believed that, like Neptune, Uranus formed closer to the Sun and moved to its current position about 4 billion years ago. Regarding expeditions, so far only the Voyager 2 probe was able to pass by the planet, but no spacecraft has orbited this planet to study it in depth. However, with the information we have, this planet would not be capable of providing suitable conditions for life. This planet, like Venus, has a peculiarity in its orbit. Most planets orbit the Sun from west to east, except for these 2 planets that orbit in reverse. It is located between Saturn and Neptune. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to receive more content like this. And tell me in the comments, which planet would you like to visit?